importante, hindi po mahalaga na ikaw ay, although kailangan natin ng yaman para tayo ay mabuhay ng talagang mapayapa, pero ang pinakamapayapang pamumuhay ay nasa piling ng Panginoon at ikaw ay nakakatulong sa iyong kapwa. And nag-glorify at masaya ang Panginoon sa ating lahat. Yun po ang lagi kong sinishare sa lahat kasi ang ating bansa mayaman pero ang mga karamihan sa atin ay naghihirap. Dito sa ating bansa para bang we sit on a top on a gold mine, no? A bigger sitting on a gold mine, parang ganoon sa ating bansa. Mayaman na ating bansa, kaso lang ang mga tao naghihirap. Yun po ang problema, kailangan natin isipin na tayo ay lilipas lang din dito sa mundo. To our partners and sponsors, your support allows our athletes to dream bigger, train harder, and push the limits of what they can achieve. Because of you, many of our aspiring champions have the opportunities they deserve. Your commitment to Philippine boxing is a testament to the belief that our fighters are among the best in the world. To our awardees, this celebration is for you. You have faced challenges, made sacrifices, and endured pain to reach where you are today. Every round you have fought, every drop of sweat you have shed, and every moment of struggle have brought this recognition. You embody the values that define a great boxer: discipline, hard work, and faith.